have a certain amount of knots on the left side there. I think it'll be about 65 or 80 maybe. So, oh, I see. Got to pull up here. There. Okay. Now I got to start turning. This is against all the rules. I'd lose my ticket doing this. But I need to come out of this where I can see there. There's my goal right there, I think. That blue thing. Hoping that's what. Oh, nope, it's farther over. There it is. Don't have much altitude here. Only got 12 miles to play with. There. Okay. Retract the landing gear, which I ain't gonna do because not doing what I'm supposed to. Golf Sierra Alpha change.
Chicago approach Dare Alpha Sierra X-ray Golf
Type Dare
Sierra
TBM 93 miles southeast of O'Hara, 1,400 feet. Request clearance to transition Bravo airspace. Can't see the landing runway from here, but I can't see the altitude's on the right with that like electric blue light, and I can't see what that is either. Oh, there it is. Yeah, that's the
Cleared through the Bravo airspace, Dare Golf Sierra Alpha.
I don't want to get too much more than that. Let me think. And the speed's on the other side, 195. I don't want to be going that fast. And they're supposed to only make, minute adjustments. Flaps are up, okay, where they're supposed to be. And I'm going to have to put those flaps down in a minute. I don't remember where to go. Still going too fast. Do it on a plane because it wrecks them under a certain speed, and usually it has the see where it says 120 there on the left, that white line? When I hit that, I can use the flaps. And I'm just not sure what button to press. There you can see the runways. So I'm going to hit the flaps. Nothing. Try this other button. Nothing. I don't know how to turn on the flaps. I think it might be here on this control. I can't land good without the flaps. I'm going too fast. Where the hell are the flaps on this?
You're gonna crash. You're going in quick.
It's not my worst landing. Now there's brakes here, which I can't remember what the brakes are. Try this.
Probably B for brakes.
I think it's on this here. That's the camera. I don't know. I don't know what the frickin' brakes are. Oh, I know. It's on here. Yeah, I always used to use a combination of things to this and that. So continue. I can't remember what I used to, what button I used to. Is that an X for continue?
Here, try to use the brake now.
Where are they?
B,
C?
B,
B? Just get myself right out of Dodge. There. Not supposed to do this either, but I'll get out of here. And there on the left, C4. I think I need, when the red ends, I can rotate there. And actually rotate a little bit ahead of time. And that's a little too high coming up.
Tower Dare Alpha Sierra X-Ray Golf Sierra Alpha is 1 mile southeast 800 feet with India to land.
See, I gotta go around and try to get the airport. I just ran my 5.5
B4 is for
down the
flaps.
airplane.
B4.
B4 is flaps. Okay, so they're up now during approach. So if I could get around to see that, I think I push a button for that camera. This ain't the button. That should be smooth when I'm doing that, not goofy like that. Southern heading. In real life, you can do this easy. Because in real life, you're looking at not just the TV screen, you're looking at a chunk of say, southeastern, this is Illinois, so maybe eastern Illinois would be the way to say. Okay, I'm doing 215 and that's a little too fast for me. That's because I'm not responding on the radio. They're 2,000 feet flaps. So what was it? B4 was the flaps?
Yeah.
I still don't see the airport.